This is going over calculus homework page 407. This was section 7.3. We've got 4 problems here. Let's start with number 11. Look at the region. First of all, we've got the equation y equals x squared. You see that. How about y equals 0? Yeah, that's just right here. That's on the x-axis. How about x equals 2? Yeah, right over here. There it is. So there's the shape. We were going to rotate it around the x-axis. I'll try and draw it a little bit for us here. Okay, here we go. We're going to go through here, and we're going to go to here. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. Okay, there. Okay, now we rotate it. We're going to end up, there it is. It's going to be a rotation like that. I'll tell you what, I'll do a slice right here. Here we go. Let's do a slice. Good. Make a little thin cylinder. Okay, there it is. First of all, let's start our integral. The volume equals the integral. Where are we going to start our slices? Right there at x equals 0. Where are we going to finish? Yeah, we're going to go all the way to x equals 2. Now, it's pi r squared times the thickness. Now, let's figure out the r. 0 to 2, pi, what is the r equal to? Well, the r is right here. That's the radius. It's equal to the y, and the y is equal to x squared. So yeah, in place of the r goes x squared. So look at this. We're going to have x squared squared. There it is. Because remember, the r is squared, so our x squared has to be squared. Okay, the next step. Let's pull the pi out front. We got the integral 0 to 2. Now, x squared squared, that's x to the 4th dx. Okay, let's do the antiderivative. First of all, the pi, we'll multiply that at the very end. What's the antiderivative of x to the 4th? Oh, yeah, that's just going to be 1/5 x to the 5th. Straight evaluation bar, 0 to 2. There it is. We'll move it up a little bit. Nice. Okay, here it is. We've got pi times. Now, first of all, plug in the 2. So it's 1/2, 2 to the 5th, minus, plug in 0, you get 0. Okay. There you go. So we've got pi. Great. There we go. Let's do it. Let's do that. 1/5, 2 to the 5th. Okay. 1/5 times 2 raised to the 5th. There it is. Nice. 6.4. Okay. 6.4. Great. Let's multiply. There we go. Times a pi. I like a decimal answer. So times a pi. There it is. Good. 2010. Okay. 20.10. Okay. Looking good. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 12. Okay. There it is. Number 12. Again, look at our 3 equations that we have. We've got the curve, x cubed. We've got y equals 0. Again, that's the x-axis right here. Okay, that's right there. And then, of course, we got x equals 2. There it is. Okay, let's try and sketch that a little bit for you. Let's see what I got here. I'm going to be here. I'm going to be here. So it's going to look something like that. Okay. Here we go. Rotate it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, I'll do a slice right here. Make a little thickness. There you go. There's our cylinder. Now, let's start our work here. Okay, volume equals the integral. Where are we going to start our slices? Yeah, once again, at x equals 0. We're going to go all the way to x equals 2, and then it's pi r squared dx. Okay, now, okay, 0 to 2, the pi. What's the r equal to? Yeah, once again, there it is right there. That's the radius. the radius is equal to the y, and the y is equal to x to the third. So the radius is x to the third. Now watch. It's going to be x to the third quantity squared. Okay, then we got the dx. There you go. Okay, next step. Pull the pi out front. We've got the integral 0 to 2. Now, x to the third squared. That's going to be x to the sixth dx. Nice. Here we go. We got pi. Okay, now, the antiderivative of x to the sixth. Yeah, it's 1/7 x to the seventh. There you go. Straight evaluation bar, 0 to 2. Okay, let's get a little more room. Great, here it is. Pi times 1/7, 2 to the seventh, minus plug 0 in there, you get 0. Okay, here we go. 1/7, 2 to the seventh. Okay, parentheses, 1 divided by 7, good, times 2 raised to the seventh. There it is, 1/7 times 2 to the seventh, looking good. 1828. Okay, now, so it's pi times 1828. Okay, great. There we go. Let's do that. Okay, times a pi. There it is. Nice. 5744 is our final answer. 57.44. There it is. That's our volume of that shape. Okay. Hey, that's part 1. Okay. I've got 2 more problems. Go and look at part 2.